Hi everyone, this is Julius, and today I've got great news for you because I just finished my software Amaris. So this one is different from the previous one that I made because this is a non-martingale software. Its profit is based on winning ratio and risk and reward ratio. So for those who don't know me, let me give you a bit background about myself. I'm an engineer by profession, and I've been in the financial industry for 6 years already. And I've been trading the foreign exchange market for 2 years already. I'm also a financial planner here in the Philippines, so I also do financial planning for people. And I was also once a software engineer in one of the big firms here in the Philippines. And so when I quit my job, I decided also to use my skills in order for me to build foreign exchange robots, or what we call expert advisors. So I'm also the founder of AI Traders Lounge. And our mission is to build a community of traders that are equipped with expert advisors. The vision of the community is to become one of the biggest community of traders that uses AI technology. So, disclaimer before I go on, trading foreign exchange currencies as well as using trade software is risky, and you should only trade with money you are willing to lose. Results are not guaranteed. This is not a solicitation for investment of any kind. One should learn all the risk associated with trading and software trading before getting involved. This presentation is for informational purposes only. All potential earnings described in this presentation will vary dependent on your work ethic, hours you spend on this project, and quality of customers you refer. So, what are the features that you get from Amaris? Amaris identifies support and resistance. It also uses ATR, or average true range, for TP and SL, or take profit and stop loss. So the purpose of ATR, or average true range, is for our trades to not easily get stop hunted. And risk and reward ratio is 1:2. So you don't need a really big winning rate in order for you to profit, because the TP and SL the SL and TP is already set to 1:2. Then it trades with a trend. It trades on pullbacks and trades on support and resistance. It also hedges when it detects possible trend reversals. So what are the pairs that I recommend for you to trade in Amaris? Euro USD, I recommend USD JPY, Euro JPY, USD CHF, NZD USD, USD CAD, AUD USD, and GBP USD. These are major pairs because it has lesser spread, especially if you use ECN in FX Primus. So the back testing of Amaris. So I didn't have much space in my laptop, so I back tested it just from January 6 to June 9, 2020. That's around 5 months of back testing. So Euro USD, it gave this is actually 0.5 pips of spread. So it may vary, but based from my experience using ECN account, as during Europe and US time, the spread is just around, by average, 0.5 pips if you are using major pairs. So for Euro USD, the net profit is 118 USD. As you can see, the drawdown is only around 5.12%. It's really amazing because it's not a martingale software, so you can't. It's impossible for you to really get a really high drawdown from this. Then USD JPY, it gave me 99.12 USD gain. The maximal drawdown is 2.95%. Euro JPY, 11.56% drawdown. It gave me 60.63 USD. Then for GBP USD, here, that's 159.79. This is the largest profit among the pairs. This has the largest profit among the pairs. So it has only a drawdown of 6.37%. Then for USD CHF, it only gave 40.19 USD for 5 months. Its drawdown is around 5.12%. For USD CAD, it gave 127.12 USD. Its drawdown is only around 4.12%. So as you can see, if you look at the chart here, these are the number here below refers to the trades that it is taking. So as you can see, it doesn't always go up. So there are losses. So the nice thing about Amaris is that it doesn't use your whole account because it uses stop loss. So if the market goes against us, then we take the losses. If the market goes with us, then with our trades, then we also take the profit. So that's an advantage of Amaris over Cost Avenger. Then AUD USD for 5 months, 64.30 USD is the net profit. The maximal drawdown is around 8.12%. So if we summarize all, Euro USD 118.01, USD JPY 99.12, Euro JPY 60.63, GBP USD 159.79, NZD USD 36.96, USD CHF 40.19, USD CAD 127.12, AUD USD 64.30. You total all, that's 706.16 USD in 5 months. So 612 USD divided by 1,000 times 100 to get the percentage. So for the 5 months that we traded, we got 70.612%. So 70.612% you divide by 5 is equivalent to 14.1224%. Now, if you want higher profit, then you change the starting lot size or the lot size. So for this one, I was using 0.01 for this back testing. I'm using 0.01 as the lot size for a 1K USD account. So forward testing, so I just tested this from May 22, 2020 to January 8, 2020. So that's around 2 weeks of testing. So I gained around 116.94 USD for this one. And I'm still doing forward testing right now. And the back testing is just for you to have a view of the profit, but it would really vary when you do forward testing, because we would also consider the variation of spreads. Spreads would go up and down depending on the movement of the market. And also, there's a feature also of Amaris that it stops trading when the spread is too high. So later on, let me show you later on. I'm gonna show you the settings of Amaris. So here's the settings of Amaris. So the lot size. This is the lot size that the lot size that it orders per trade. So if you put 0.01 every time Amaris trades, it puts 0.01. So if you input the allowable spread to 12, this is in points, so that's basically 1.2 pips. Allowable spread is basically the maximum spread allowed for Amaris to trade. So if you put 12, it's in points. So 12 divided by 10, that's 1.2 pips. So beyond 1.2 pips, if the spread goes beyond 1.2 pips, Amaris won't order. The purpose of which is when the market is really volatile, especially during news, spread usually go beyond 1.2 pips. So that is the default, but you could change it. If you want the robot to be more aggressive in terms of putting entry, and if you want the robot to trade, if you want Amaris to trade even during news, then you set the allowable spread higher. So Amaris settings recommendation, these are the recommendation that I share to you. Lot size, conservative, 0.01 per thousand. So if you have 1,000 USD, you could set it to 0.01. If you have 2K USD, 0.02, that's conservative. If you want moderate, 0.02 per thousand. So if you have 1K, you set it to 0.02. If you've got 2K, you set it to 0.04. If you want aggressive, then set it to 0.03 per thousand. So the allowable spread, this is based from my observation, but if you want to change it, it's okay. Just observe the current spread of the market, especially since we are using FX Primus, we are using an ECN account, so it gives us a really low spread. So you could observe it. So for Euro USD, Euro JPY, USD JPY, AUD USD, I suggest 12. GBP USD and USD CHF, I suggest 14. For NZD USD and USD CAD, I suggest 18. Now, you could, I have actually set files that are already prepared for you, so you could just choose the right set file for the certain pair. So I think that's all for Amaris. I hope you enjoyed learning about the software. The software is really simple to use. It's not as complicated as CA, Cost Avenger, because it doesn't have that much settings in it. And I built it actually for long term. I built it thinking of it as something like a long-term investment wherein I would not like to closely monitor my account since it has only TP and SL, because if you use Martingale softwares, you must monitor it and really dig into news, because maybe the positions right now is not already good and it trades a lot of trades for Martingale softwares. Well, this one, if the trade is wrong, or the market is not going our way, so at least Amaris only cuts the losses through SL, and it also gains through TP. So I think that's all that I could share to you. If you want to use the demo of Amaris, in the description of this video, I attached the link so you could click it. And probably I will also have an update if I'm gonna release this live to all. But for the live also steps to avail this live for free, you could look at the description part also. Right now it's for free. I don't know in the future, because we have also bills for the server. Right now I got a free server for it, so for now I'm giving this for free. So look at the description area so that you could see the steps on how to go live and how to get the demo. So thank you guys, and I hope a lot of people will benefit from this software.